Hi everyone, today we are going to learn practical number 9, hooks in C++. Your question is here. The code is hashtag include IOStream using namespace std. This I have already taught you all, so you all can do check out the previous videos. Class base. I'm creating a class name called base. Then we have public void add int a comma b and count sum of integers. So members below this are accessible in the main. I'm giving a function name add with two integer parameters and which print the sum of two integers. Next we have void double a comma double b count sum of doubles a plus b and n. Then the second add function I'm doing the overloading. It has the same function name add but parameters are double. So we call as function overloading, which print the sum of two decimal numbers and then the function. Virtual void show count. This is a base class show. Here I'm creating a virtual which allows the function to be overridden, which print the base class message. Next we have class derived public base public void show count. This is a derived class show. I'm creating a class called derived which inherits the base class, which means the inheritance. Then I'm creating a same name as for my base function that has same parameters which we call as function overriding and which print the derived class message, which ends the derived class function OA. Next we have int main derived object obj.add 10, 20, obj.add 5.5, 4.5, base multiplied by b, comma. Then we have b is equal to an object. Then we have b show. Then we have return 0. So int main is the main function where my program starts actually. I've created an object of class derived which calls add in comma int which adds two numbers and it doubles up where my compiler selects the correct function and it creates a pointer of the base class and it pointer points to the derived object and then what happens, it calls show using the pointer. So this is because of the version, because derived version is runs over here and return 0 where my program ends successfully and that's the end of the main function. So output will be this. Sum of integers 30 and sum of doubles 10 and this is your derived class show. So basically what is the program shows is it's showing the function overloading, that is add int comma int, then we are adding double comma double which has same name and different parameters. In function overriding base we are displaying it, even derived also display it, which has same name and same parameters but different things. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop the comment. Thank you.